working on the August Soap Challenge Club challenge. This is Modified Peacock Swirls. I've never actually done peacock swirls before, so this is going to be new. And this is a modified version. What I'm going to do, there's different ways of doing it. The method that I've chosen is the slab mold, and I'm actually going to do it twice. I have my oils separated into two and my lye water divided in half, but I'm using the same colors, same fragrance. What I'm going to do is I have two of these molds. Basically, I'm going to do one way with the S's and the swirls going one way, and then the other mold I'm going to have them go the other way. So they'll have different sides of the bar. So one will be the length of the bar, one will be the shorter way. So we're going to go ahead and try it out, see how it goes. I'm actually doing this as a Christmas soap, even though it's August, because it takes 6 weeks for things to cure. And in order to get everything made for the holidays, you've got to start really early. I'm going to be using Sugar Plum Fairy by Brambleberry, and this is supposed to behave well. I've never used it before. It's supposed to behave well. It does discolor. It says tan on here, but on the website it showed more what I would consider a brown. I did ask some fellow soapers, and they said, oh, it was like a light color, or it didn't discolor at all, so I don't know. I'm going for kind of a Christmas candy look. That's my goal anyway. I'm going to be using Trial by Fire from Nurture Soap. I have not ever used this mica, but it's supposed to be the best red out there. And the other colors are all from Brambleberry. I have an Apple Moss Green, an Evergreen, Super Pearly White, and then a Gold Sparkle. So I'm going for the advanced entry for this. That's my goal, because we have to have 5 or more colors. So I'll have my base color, which will be the tan or the brown, and then I'll have these 5 colors. So let's go ahead and get started and see how it turns out.